In this tutorial, we will learn about arithmetic operations in the Godot engine. The tutorials currently being uploaded are part of a game development course I created and published on Udemy. You can get the full course from the link below the video, where you will learn how to create both 2D and 3D games by building 3 powerful and exciting projects. Arithmetic operations are simple: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. How can we add 2 values or subtract 2 values? First, it's natural that when the player wins at any level in the game, their coins count increases by the value of the reward. For example, if the player has 5,000 coins and win 1,000 coins, the new total will be 6,000 coins. How can we do that? To make this clearly, let's go through an example. Let's imagine that the x is the value of the coins, var x equal 5,000, and y is the value of the reward that the player will win, which will be 1,000. We will add these 2 values by printing the result of x plus y. Now, when we run the game, we will see the printed value is 6,000. We can also store this value in another variable. For example, we can create variable called z to hold this sum, var z equal x plus y. Then we will print the value of the variable z by running the game. We will find that the value is also 6,000. Now imagine that the player has 5,000 coins and buys a shield for their character, which costs 1,000 coins. In this case, player's coins count should be decreased by 1,000 from 5,000, leaving them with 4,000 coins. We can simply perform the subtraction like this. After that, when we run the game, we will find that the value is now 4,000 coins. How codes read in Godot engine? The code is read by Godot game engine sequentially, line by line. This means it first starts with variable x and recognizes that it equals 5,000. Then move to the next line with variable y, which equals 1,000, and then to variable z, which is the value of x plus y. And finally, it prints the value of variable z. The engine will understand that x equals 5,000 and y equals 1,000. Then it will print z, which is equal x plus y. It will print 6,000. After that, I will change the value of z. Z equal x minus y. Then I will print the new value of the variable z. Now we will use the multiplication operation. Z equal x multiplication y. After that, we will print the value of the multiplication. We will also use the division operation and print it as well. Z equal x division y. Let's see how this code works when we run the game. Look here at the result. The first value we see is 6,000. The game engine went to the variable z equal x plus y. It found that the value z equals x plus y. Result is 6,000. Then it moved to the next line of the code and printed the value of variable z. Next, it went to the following line, where it found z equal x minus y. This means 5,000 minus 1,000 equals 4,000. So it printed 4,000. The next line, Godot engine will find variable z, value is x multiplication y. So Godot engine will multiply 5,000 by 1,000. The result is 5 million. The next variable where z equal x division y. So the value was 5,000 divided by 1,000. The result will be 5. Now, if we change the variable name to coins and delete these codes and also change the name of the variable y to price like this, now we want to increase the coins variable by the price variable. If we think about it logically, we can write it very simple here. First, we will close the game and then go to the output window to see if there are any errors. There are no errors. Now we will write coins equal coins plus price to increase the value of the variable coins by the amount of the variable price. This is the first way to increase the variable's value. Then we will print the value of the variable coins like this. Print coins. If we run the game, we will find that the game engine printed the value 6,000, not 5,000, because it changed the value of the variable coins. We told the engine that the new value of the variable coins equals 5,000 plus the value of the variable price, which is 1,000. The final value will be 6,000 for the variable coins. If we duplicate those line of code once more, the game engine will print 6,000 the first time, and then move to the second line, where it will see that we want to print the value of the variable coins, which has now become 6,000 after the previous addition. So after adding 6,000 and 1,000 more, the current value will become 7,000. Let's run the game. We will see that the value 6,000 was printed first, and then the value became 7,000 like this. There is a second way we can write it. Coins plus equal price. The meaning of the code is to increase the value of coins by the value of price. This is a second way, which is easier and more commonly used by most developers. When we run the game, we will see that the printed value is 6,000. We can also use this method for all other arithmetic operations. For example, we can write coins minus equal price. In this case, it will subtract the value of 1,000 from 5,000. The value will be 4,000. When we run the game, look here, it shows 4,000. We can also use the multiplication operation. Coins asterisk equal price. This means that the coins will equal coins multiplied by price, changing coins to coins equal coins multiplied price. In this case, look at the value here, it becomes 5 million. We can also use the division operation like this. Coins division equal price. Let's run the game again. Now 5,000 divided by 1,000 equals 5. Here are the arithmetic operations within the Godot game engine.